Hello, this is Sue Ellen, and I am here to show y'all something that is the best deal that we have this month. This is the Essential Starter Kit. And I don't know if you've seen the posts, but this month the starter kit is half price, which means it is only $24.50. And I did a little numbers game over here and figured out that the retail value of this kit is $187.50. So $24.50 is just over 85% off. So that is a huge, huge value, and I wanted to make sure that you were aware of that. So I'm going to show you everything that is in the kit. Make some room right here. If you see a little rumble going on in the background, I have a cat trying to bust into my room. So let me see if I can. Okay, I'm going to go down my list. Actually, I'm not going to go down the list. I'm just going to start pulling stuff out because that way I'm not having to rummage through the box to show y'all stuff. Okay, first of all, this is new in the kit, the Skin Relief Shea Butter. And it's not going to be this 8-ounce size. It is going to be a 2-ounce size, but I don't have a 2-ounce size. I just have this one to show you. So Skin Relief Shea Butter is going to be in your kit. Speaking of this size, the Rose Gold Salt Scrub made from the Dead Sea salts in the 2-ounce is going to be in your kit. Let me see if I can get rid of that cat for a sec. Okay, I had to call one of my kids to get the cat. Okay, next you're going to get a foaming hand soap in your kit. You're going to get a shea butter in the 2-ounce, and I think it will be oatmeal milk and honey shea butter. You're going to get the Renew Stick, which is one of the most valuable items in your kit as far as how amazing it is. You're going to get an 8-ounce peppermint, 8-ounce peppermint magnesium lotion. So that's a nice good size. You're going to get a lotion bar. You're going to get a 2-ounce Helio Shea Butter. Can you believe I'm still going? You're going to get a 2-ounce of unscented magnesium lotion and a 2-ounce of Copa Calm magnesium lotion. You're going to get a package that includes samples of all of the lotion bars and the sticks, like the Renew Stick. There's a sample for all those in here, so you can pop them out and use them kind of like little tiny lotion bars, or you can use them as sniffers. You're going to get a package of samples of peppermint magnesium lotion that you can share as you start to tell people. And speaking of sharing, you're going to be getting 10 of the new catalogs that you can look through one yourself, and you can share them with family and friends that you want to introduce to Jordan Essentials. You're going to get, this is called our onboarding booklet, and it walks you through what to do once you get your kit, the quick start guide, pick your favorite products, how to share, starting to book parties, mentions our fast start, our fast jump start rewards, and has the compensation plan in it, so you have all the information that you need, and you get 3 months of the website, which means you'll be able to, when you sign up, you pick the name. Like I picked my name, so my website is Sue-Ellen-Hale at jordanessentials. Not at, scratch the at. Sue-Ellen-Hale.jordanessentials.com. So you pick that part where I put my name. You can pick whatever you want in that spot. And you get the website for free for the first 3 months. So while you're growing your business and getting kicked off, you have that available to you. So this is a lot of product. Like I said, I went through the website and added up what all of these items cost, and it was $187.50. So that's a lot, y'all. And for the month of February, this kit costs $24.50. So huge value. I love helping people save money when I can, and this is a big way to save some money. I think I got everything back in the kit. Oh no, there's one more thing. I'm gonna see if I can hold it up and not spill it all over the place. I typically spill things though, so. All right, all of this stuff with the differences that I explained to you. I can't even back up enough to show all this in there. So it's a nice heavy box full of amazing, wonderful products for you to use and share with people. And I just wanted to make sure you knew about that because it's a great value. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to help you. If you want to get your own box like this, let me know and I will tell you how to get it. Thanks. Bye.